Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Nitesh Singh. This time I have come up with a series on machine learning with Python. In present scenario, I don't need to tell you that the machine learning and artificial intelligence are the best technical skills to learn. This course will cover many machine learning algorithms implemented on Python, including regression analysis, support vector machine, KNN, random forest, decision tree, and much more. We will solve some realistic problems such as handwriting recognition and spam classifier. This course will use Jupyter Notebook for writing the codes. Although you can use any IDE, but if you want to follow me step by step, we will use Anaconda, which is the Python environment, and this is the one I will be using in this course. To begin with Anaconda installation, head over to this website anaconda.com. This is designed for data science and data analytics, so they have provided all the steps to follow in a very simple manner. You can simply begin with clicking on Get Started. And then move to download area, where you do have these different installation options. Since my machine supports 64-bit version and I have Windows installed on my system, I will be downloading this one. You can choose your version according to the operating system you are using. Once you click on this, it will start to download. Should download very quickly. Once it is downloaded, we can open the installer and run it. Alright, so there is nothing fancy here. This is a very basic Windows installer. Click on next, agree, install it just for me. Install in C drive, you can change if you want. Use these default options, click next and wait for a couple of minutes before it gets installed. When it's done, click on next to continue. And just finish the installation by clicking on finish, and we are done here with the installation part. Alright, here we go. Congratulations, now you have Anaconda installed in your system. Once you have it, so now we need to add a couple of packages that will be required in this course. To do so, go to Start and find Anaconda 64-bit. And click on the drop down button and there select Anaconda prompt. A command terminal will pop up. And there you just type in conda install py.plus. This will install a package that will help us to visualize decision tree later in this course. It should not take more than a couple of minutes. You will get this prompt to say Y, just type in Y here. Next, we want to add TensorFlow package that we will be using to build neural networks. To do so, type in pip install TensorFlow. It will take a couple of minutes or so. Once it is done, now I want you to create a folder where you will keep all your code files, that is IPython notebook files we will be creating during this course. I am creating a folder in my C drive and I name it as phd5ml. Once we are done here, let's go back to anaconda prompt. And now cd to the folder we have just created by typing in cd c:\phd5ml. Once you are in the correct directory, type in Jupyter Notebook. Remember, you need to type in Jupyter Notebook and not just Jupyter. Once you enter here, it will bring up your web browser where you have Jupyter up running. Since we do not have any files or folder inside our folder phd5ml, this is all empty here. To create a new file, you need to click on New and select Python. A new file will prompt in New tab. Alright friends, you now have Jupyter Notebook in your machine. This is it for this tutorial. In the upcoming tutorials of this series, we will move on to writing some real codes and actually start learning. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to PhD5.